What's going on, y'all? I am Lando Success. I have a good one for you guys today. Since cryptocurrency is on a very good bull market going up, you might as well have options. You don't want to have your cryptocurrency all in one place. What you've seen what happened with Celsius and Voyager, where they completely locking up your money, not a good thing. So what I'm going to do today is let you know about Webull. They are starting to have crypto wallets, and it's going to expand and grow from there. And you really want to be a part of a company or program, system, application that actually do both. Most companies just usually sell crypto or stocks. You have it combined. But before we do, let's do some quick housekeeping. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and it help out the YouTube algorithm. Let's get right into the video.
Black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky.
Bienvenidos, Hainquela. Welcome back. Let's get the party started. So right here we are looking on Webull. It's a experience our crypto wallet beta. So what I did, since I'm affiliate with them, I actually have it where I already get to see it, and I'm going to show you. Some people probably get early access to it, but it's a register early and reserve your spot for our crypto wallet whitelist. You can easily buy, store, and transfer crypto in one place. Get started in 3 simple steps. Unlock the world of crypto. Sign up, join the waitlist, trade, send, receive crypto in one place. Easy access to secure crypto wallet. Build your portfolio effortlessly with a single seamless app. You can buy crypto with little as $1. It's easily stored. Send and receive crypto including BTC, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Track the price of crypto everywhere, and I'm going to have the link in the bio where you guys get some free stocks and also some free crypto. You can get $5 of free crypto whenever you complete one trade. So just a simple trade, and whenever you refer your friends, you're going to get some crypto trade low as $1. Nice, simple. You can learn. If you have any questions, just let me know in the bio. So what I did was screen record my process so you guys can understand exactly what's going on. First, I'm going to show you how to receive crypto and then how to buy it. So you open up the app, you click Webull, and at the middle, you click the middle one, and you'll have to enter your password. You are going up top to transfer, because what you're trying to do is literally transfer funds, either if you're trying to transfer it in or out. That show all of your different positions you have with Webull. So I'm going to click transfers up top, and now you see it say transfer stocks into Webull, transfer stocks out, receive crypto into Webull, send crypto. First, we're going to click receive. So if you're trying to receive, let's say Bitcoin from crypto.com or Binance, you see those are options. Right now they have Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. After a while, they're going to give more options, but this is what they're doing with the beta. So we're going to click Bitcoin USD, and that's your wallet. So all you're doing is literally hitting copy address. Once you hit copy address, that's the one that you're going to put in like your crypto.com wallet or Coinbase wallet to be able to send stuff in and out. Also, they're going to ask you for an authenticator, but I will show you that in a second. But if you want to send, you're doing the exact same thing. You're sending where you have some money at. I only have like $5 worth of Bitcoin over here, and it's saying basically you need to have a minimum of $10 in Bitcoin to be able to do it. All you're doing is hitting continue, and they will ask you to put in your authenticator. So you have to basically add your authenticator in there. Now here go all the ones I have, because if you in crypto long enough, they're going to have something you need to authenticate. I have crypto.com, Hodlnaut, DeFi. I just have all type of random stuff. So what they basically want is a code that refresh every probably like 30 seconds, and you'll copy that and put in the code whenever they ask. But if you need to add, they're going to walk you through the process and show you exactly how to add Webull over there. So it's literally that simple to receive and send a cryptocurrency over there. So right now, remember, they starting with 3. Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. And I know they're going to extend it and you're going to have all different type of options, but you want to not have your cryptocurrency just locked in one place. So next we're going to show you guys how to buy some cryptocurrency, because some people probably don't know how to buy some, and we're going to do the same thing. Is open up another good old screen share and type in Webull, and this time I am hitting markets at the bottom right hand side. So you hit markets and you see United States, you see crypto up top. So all I'm doing is hitting crypto, and look at all the options you got. You got Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Sheep, Cardano, ETH, ApeCoin, Solana, Decentraland. So they have a lot of different options. Algorand, even Matic. Let's click Matic, and you see it's at 92.93 cents. And all you're doing is hitting trade at the bottom, and they're going to tell you to put in your password. And right here you see it say buy and sell. If you click limit, that's basically putting in a certain price, or you can do market on whatever the price is at the market. I usually do limit, and you see the limit price is exactly what it's at right now. So you see 93 cents, so it's just 1 cent a little bit higher. And then they have the option where you can do the amount in Matic, or you can do the amount in US dollars. All you're doing is literally clicking it. You see I clicked it and it completely changed back. So what you would do is put the amount of how much you want to buy right there. You put $5, or you can just click down at the bottom $10, and it will show you that price in Matic or US dollars, and you want it to be done that day. And once you try to execute it, this is the notification you're going to receive. Limit sale orders will only be executed if the bid price exceed your price limit. Limit buy orders will only be executed if the limit price exceed the ask price. And you click understood, and boom, voila, you will have you some Matic in your wallet. And just that simple, now you know how to buy, sell, receive crypto on Webull. I got some free crypto for you, so all you have to do is click the link in the bio. Once you do your first trade, you're going to get you $5 worth of crypto. And while you at it, you might as well get some free stocks while the market is doing great. And with that, all you got to do is sign up and deposit $1. Shout out to Webull. Talk to you guys later. I'm Lando Sess.